Japanese potato salad is one of my favorite side dishes for bento boxes, as it's very easy to make and has a ton of flavor. If you want to follow along, the link to the recipe in this video is in the description below. First, we'll make some hard-boiled eggs. Submerge the eggs in water in a small saucepan. Cover and bring the water to a boil. Remove from heat, keeping the eggs in the water in the saucepan for 12 minutes, keeping the lid covered. Remove the eggs from the water and submerge them in cold water. Peel the eggs and mince them. Dice the carrots into small pieces. I like to peel and then chop carrots into 2-inch long pieces. Then I slice those pieces into quarters lengthwise and then slice the carrots thinly. Peel and chop the potatoes into about 1-inch size pieces. Bring a small pot of water to a boil and boil the potatoes for 15 minutes or until fork tender. Add the carrots to the boiling water when there is 3 minutes left to cook the potatoes. While we do that, we'll slice some ham and chop a green onion. Once the potatoes are done, drain the potatoes and let them sit in the hot pan for a minute to let the excess water evaporate from the potatoes. Mash potatoes in the pot with a potato masher if you have one. You can also mash with a wooden spoon, but a potato masher will make your life a lot easier. Then mix egg, ham, diced yellow pickled daikon, green onion, black pepper, salt, rice vinegar, garlic powder, onion powder. My onion powder was a bit clumpy, but it still tasted okay. Kewpie mayo, mustard. Mix it all together until it's well incorporated. Taste the potato salad to adjust the seasoning to your liking. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Or if you have any questions about this recipe, please don't hesitate to ask. I'll be more than happy to answer any questions you have in the comments section. All the best in the kitchen, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!